Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, and today I'll be doing a test fit and checking out the official Google case that they have released for this phone. Now you can see the one that I have right here is the black one, but they do come in a slew of different colors, including even a clear plastic one, which at the moment of recording this, a lot of them have already sold out, meaning specific colors along with the plastic one. But anyway, let's just get straight into this. Inside we just get the case. There is no paperwork or anything like that because, let's be honest, the case, no one needs paperwork for that. Come on. There we go. And when you take it off, you can see design-wise, it's actually pretty nice. Have what feels like rubber surface right here. I want to say that the green version of this actually looks a little bit better. Let's see if I can actually grab it to show you how it looks like. Apparently out of the one that I wanted to grab, it's the only one that isn't available. Fantastic. But yeah, the green one has the G logo in more of a silver color, which matches the phone silver that they have when it comes onto the polish. It's basically identical to the size of the phone that I have right here. And because of that, it makes it fit a lot better with the phone itself. This one has a bit darker design. As you can see, this is almost like black, but still mirror polish, and the buttons right here are also covering it, also with this same kind of mirror polish. The inside has this kind of like leather-like design right here to make it nice and soft, cushy, and let's just put it on. So it fits onto the device well. So there we go, you can see how this looks like. It does leave a little bit of a ring right here from that silver aluminum that they have polished right there from the camera, visible. And the buttons are covered, they work just fine. So everything basically works perfectly. We have a cutout for that loudspeaker microphone that we have right here. And we also have the cutouts for the speakers at the bottom and charging port. And that's really everything that we have right here. One thing that kind of looks a bit odd with this one is the mismatched colors. So black one doesn't look that great in my opinion. The green one looked pretty solid just because of the similar design of the accent colors on the case, which were silver with the G and the buttons, which matched better with the silver that you can see right here or around here, around the bezels of between the case and obviously the bezel of the phone. This one doesn't fit as well because when you can see the silver edge right here of the bezel of the phone, you also get to see the black buttons right here. And it just kind of clashes a little bit. But other than that, the case itself, the quality of it is solid. We have tiny bit of a bezel around the camera perimeter from the case to protect it when you place it down. And the fact that the phone actually has a visor design right here makes it completely not wobble on a table, and the case keeps that as well. We also have a bezel around here from the case, so you can place it down. And even when you have a tempered glass applied to your device, which I do, which you can hopefully see, there we go, you can see there's a bezel around the basically tempered glass here. Yeah, even with the tempered glass, the glass isn't touching the display, so it's enough, raising enough to cover the display along with the tempered glass, so you don't need to worry about it. So yeah, in any case, solid case. Personally, I'll probably go for a different color just because of the accent colors that it has on it, the metallic colors, which with the black one are also kept in stealth kind of look, but for the design of the phone, which comes with a silver polished aluminum, mirror polished, it just doesn't fit that well. But the case itself is fine, it's just the color. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.